Airplanes are marvels of engineering, and before they take to the skies, they undergo rigorous testing to ensure safety and performance. Let's dive into how this process works. First up, the design phase. Engineers use advanced computer simulations to create a virtual model of the aircraft. This allows them to predict how the plane will behave under different conditions, from turbulence to extreme weather. It's all about making sure the design is solid before any physical work begins. Once the design is finalized, it's time to build a prototype. This is where things get exciting. The prototype is constructed using the same materials and techniques that will be used in the final version. Building a prototype helps engineers spot any potential issues early on. After the prototype is ready, it's time for ground testing. This phase is crucial. Engineers conduct a series of tests to check the aircraft's systems, including engines, navigation, and communication. They simulate various scenarios to see how the plane responds. For example, they might test the engines at full throttle while the aircraft is stationary to ensure everything is functioning properly. Next comes the all-important structural testing. The prototype is subjected to extreme conditions to see how it holds up. This includes stress tests where the aircraft is subjected to forces greater than it would experience in flight. Engineers want to know how much weight the wings can handle and how the fuselage responds to pressure changes. It's like putting the airplane through a workout. Once the ground tests are complete, it's time for the first flight. This is a huge milestone. The test flight crew, usually made up of experienced pilots and engineers, takes the plane into the sky for the first time. They carefully monitor every aspect of the flight, from takeoff to landing, checking how the aircraft handles and performs. During the test flight, pilots assess the aircraft's stability, control, and overall performance. They also test the autopilot systems and emergency procedures. If any issues arise, the team takes detailed notes to analyze later. This feedback is critical for making adjustments before the plane can be certified for commercial use. After the initial test flight, the aircraft goes through a series of additional flights, each focusing on different aspects of performance. This includes testing under various weather conditions, altitudes, and speeds. The goal is to ensure the plane can handle anything it might encounter in real-world flying. Data collected during these test flights is analyzed thoroughly. Engineers look for patterns and anomalies, making adjustments as needed. If something doesn't perform as expected, it's back to the drawing board. This iterative process is essential for refining the aircraft's design and ensuring safety. Once all tests are complete, the aircraft must pass certification by aviation authorities. This involves a comprehensive review of all test data and documentation. Only after meeting all regulatory requirements can the aircraft be approved for commercial flights. But the testing doesn't stop there. Even after certification, airplanes undergo regular maintenance checks and inspections. This ensures that they continue to operate safely throughout their service life. Airlines have strict protocols in place to monitor aircraft performance and address any issues that arise. In addition to routine checks, manufacturers often conduct ongoing testing and updates. This includes software upgrades for navigation systems and improvements based on new technologies. The aviation industry is always evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is vital for safety and efficiency. So, the next time a plane takes off, remember the extensive testing it went through. From computer simulations to rigorous flight tests, every step is designed to ensure that passengers can fly safely and comfortably. It's a testament to the hard work and dedication of engineers, pilots, and everyone involved in the aviation industry. In conclusion, the process of testing airplanes is a complex and thorough journey. It involves a combination of cutting-edge technology, skilled professionals, and a commitment to safety. Each aircraft is a product of countless hours of research, design, and testing, all aimed at making air travel as safe as possible. So, buckle up and enjoy the flight, knowing that a lot of effort went into making it happen.